Hey everyone, Andrew here from TOURIG, and today I'm going to take you on a pretty brief tour of our newest 170-inch wheelbase 4x4 dually sprinter build. Let's get started. This van is filled with features. It's a 170-inch wheelbase dually, so that means there's room for a shower, bed, and extra long countertop, as you'll see. With the upgraded suspension package, the 30-gallon water tank, and the 600 amp hours of battery life, this van can go further for longer than most other vans would. And with that being said, we expect to see this van hit places most other vans wouldn't, and stay there longer than most other people would. This van comes complete with a Ruvati sink, a single burner induction stovetop, Sirocco fans, a Max Air fan, and a Nomadic DC air conditioning unit, an S-Bar D2 heater, a microwave, and an isotherm fridge, a full shower bathroom combo with a cassette toilet, 180 watts of solar panel power, and 600 amp hours of lithium batteries, 12 volt DC and 120 volt AC outlets throughout the van, external shore-powered charging ports, 30 gallons of fresh water with fill ports and water hookups, an extra seating area at the front of the van, our very own bunker soft goods collection with bags, door screens, and window covers, upper and lower metal cabinets, half linoleum and half coin flooring, our very own roof rack and rear door ladder, our external lighting package, a full suspension package by Agile Off-Road, all-terrain tires, a CA tuned front bumper, a Fiyama awning, Nerf bars on both driver and passenger sides of the van, and a cell booster up top too. For us, this is the epitome of what an off-grid vehicle looks like. Staying out for as long as you'd like, having all the amenities you'd ever need to make it feel like home while you're out there, and having a vehicle that's capable of getting you in and out safely and practically. If you have any questions over anything you saw during this tour or previous videos, feel free to reach out to our support team. And if you're interested in a van for yourself, feel free to reach out to one of our design consultants on our website. Until then, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next video.